Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Fedora Linux 41. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, hit enter, then click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. Then see here we have the versions 8.0.40, 8.4.3 and 9.10. In this video we are going to install 8.0.40, but whenever you are installing, if you are unable to find this version, then click on archives. There you will find. Okay. Then select the operating system. See here we have the Fedora. Select it. Then select the version. See, we have the versions from 39, 40 or 41. Select the version and the installation process is same for all. Okay. I am on Fedora Linux 41. So select it. Then see here it populated list of RPM packages. Those needs to be installed. So download this RPM bundle. Instead of downloading each, so download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Now click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 799 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. And let's see here we have the MySQL 8.0.40 RPM bundle. It is tar file. So first we have to untar this file. tar-accept. Then give the MySQL tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the RPM package. We have to install all these packages. But before installing, install these two packages. Sudo dnf install perl and openssl. Hit enter. Before installing, let us remove if there are any files related to MariaDB. Sudo mrdnf remove MariaDB. Give the star, hit enter, type and hit enter. Remove this. If any are there, it will remove. See, no packages are there. Okay. Now install sudo rpm-ivh star.rpm --nodeps. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL. Control N. Now verify the status of MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d.service and hit enter. See, we have installed MySQL server, but it is not started. So first start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is running. Q to quit. Now connect to MySQL server. But before connecting, now run the MySQL _secure installation. But this requires root password. Let me hit enter and show you. See, it is asking root password. Okay. Control C to cancel. Now we can get the root password by going to cd where log ls. See here we have the MySQL log, MySQL d log. So grep this file. More MySQL, give the tab, grep password. We have to run with sudo privileges. See, this is the password for the root account. Let me copy this one. Control copy it. Now run this secure installation. Now paste this password. Copy the above one and paste it. Hit enter. See, the existing password for the user account root has expired. Please set a new password for this root account. So I'm giving the password. Remember this password. Confirm the same. I don't want to change that. Whatever the password that I have entered, it is fine. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow root login. No. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Type yes. All done. Now connect to MySQL server. Control L. MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password that we have set for the MySQL. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. And see, this is the MySQL server version 8.0.40. Also verify the same. Select version. See, we have installed MySQL 8.0.40 on Fedora Linux 41. Control A. Show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create a database. Create. Verify again. See, new database is there. Switch to this new database. Select verify current database. See, we are in the bank database. Now create a table and insert some data. See, it is typo. I forgot to give it. We have successfully created. Let us verify the list of tables. Now insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these three rows. Now create the user. But before, verify list of users. So, users. This won't work. Now run the select user from mysql.user to verify the list of the users. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. So, create user, create. Now verify again. See, we have James user. Now exit from this root account and connect to MySQL with this new user. See, we have connected to MySQL server. Let us verify the current user. See, we have connected with the user James. Okay, exit. Until now, we have connected MySQL by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL by using DBOR or MySQL openssl. Now, we will see how to start and restart MySQL 8.0.40 on Fedora Linux 41. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. Hit enter. See, MySQL service is running. Q to quit, Control L. Let us stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. Hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service is stopped. Also, we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL. See, we are unable to connect. So, start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started. Q to quit, Control A. Now go to downloads directory, cd ls, cd downloads ls. We have to remove all these files because we have successfully installed MySQL 8.0.40 on Fedora Linux 41. rm star.rpm ls. We have one more file, that is star file. Remove this one also. Give MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. See, we have removed and we have cleared the space. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Fedora Linux 41. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.